Your cover is your book's first impression, so let's make it a good one. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the key elements of a professional book cover and how to use our free BiblioAuthor templates to get it done, fast and frustration-free. This is Cover Design 101 for indie authors. Let's get into it. People do judge a book by its cover, especially online where they're seeing a thumbnail the size of a postage stamp. If your cover doesn't instantly tell the reader, hey, this is your kind of book, they're already scrolling. It doesn't matter how great your writing is if nobody picks it up to read it. Your cover needs to stand out and measure up. Your genre has visual expectations. Don't ignore them. Let's do a quick breakdown. The front cover is your billboard. Title, subtitle, author name, and your main visual or image. The spine is what people see on a shelf. Make sure your title and name are readable and not crammed. And the back cover? That's your pitch. Add your blurb, bio, maybe your review, and your barcode. Keep it clean, and don't get fancy with the fonts back here. There's no need to start from scratch. Just choose your book size, paperback, hardcover, or custom, and download a pre-formatted template from the resource page of biblioauthor.com. You'll get a super easy-to-follow template with trim lines, safe zones, spine width, and bleed areas built in, so you or your designer can create a stunning and perfectly formatted cover in with Canva, Photoshop, InDesign, Affinity, and more. Feeling stuck? Try one of these go-to layouts. Protagonist cover, one strong character dead center, great for romance or thrillers. Duo cover, side-by-side subjects, perfect for dual timelines or co-leads. Symbol cover, one big image or object that carries meaning, perfect for fantasy or memoir. Start with one of these and tweak from there. It works. Here's a quick cheat sheet by genre. Romance, soft colors, elegant script fonts, emotional imagery. Thriller/suspense, bold fonts, dark tones, high contrast. Children's, bright colors, friendly fonts, illustration heavy. Nonfiction, clear, bold typography, minimalistic layout. Use design tools that give you professional results like Canva, Affinity Publisher, or Adobe Photoshop or InDesign. These tools are user-friendly, and YouTube offers plenty of tutorial and shortcut videos to have you designing like a pro with just some time and practice. A final must for great cover design? Make sure your images and fonts are either original or legally licensed. Free image sites often require attribution, and if so, that credit belongs in your front matter. And don't overlook fonts. They're art too, often protected just like images. Google and Adobe fonts are usually safe for commercial use, but others might not be. Buying a font? Totally worth it. It secures your rights and helps build a brand that's stylish and consistent across every project. Here are some tips when designing. Use high-resolution images at 300 dpi or higher. Keep your text readable at thumbnail size. Choose fonts that are legible, like Garamond, Baskerville, and Bodoni. Use contrast for pop. Never stretch or squish your text or images. Ready to download your easy-to-use custom templates? Just go to the biblioauthor.com resources page. Want to go deeper or find a pro to help? Check out publishingdirectory.org for a free list of all of the best service providers in the publishing, printing, and marketing service for independent authors and publishers.